In this video, we'll show you how to password protect a PDF document. To begin, open the PDF file in Power PDF Advanced. If Power PDF isn't your default application for opening PDFs, right-click on the file and select Open With, then choose Power PDF from the list. If you don't see it listed, click Choose Another App and select Power PDF here. Click Always to make it your default PDF viewer, or just once if you only want to use it this time. I'll select Always. Once the document is open in Power PDF, click File. This takes you to the info page where you can view the document's properties. Next, click Security. Here you can see any security settings currently applied to the document. As you can see, this file doesn't have any security methods enabled. To add password protection, click the Document Protection drop-down and select Advanced Properties. From the Security Method list, choose Password Security. Now, enable the option Allow Document Opening Only by Password. Enter your chosen password. Repeat it to confirm, and then click OK. You'll see a notification explaining that the document can't be opened without the password, and that you need to save the file for the security settings to take effect. Click OK to close the dialog boxes. Then close the file and click Yes to save the changes. Your PDF is now password protected. To confirm everything is working, simply reopen the PDF. You'll be prompted to enter the password before you can view the contents of the file.